Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. Let's do it. So following this step, surely you will fix it. First one, check your restrictions. So you have to go to settings, screen time, content and privacy restriction and ensure Face ID is not restricted. Then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve software glitches. 3. Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, General, and Software Update. 4. Reset Face ID. Navigate to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. Then tap to reset Face ID and set up again. 5. Check through the camera. Ensure nothing is blocking the front camera, such as screen protector or dirt. 6. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, and Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings, and this won't delay your data. 7. Factory reset. Last resort. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. That's the way to do it. That's how we can Face ID settings grayed out, fix it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.